Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to debug in Cursor AI. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, now what we can do, we can go to the debug mode and how we can do that. So here at the top right corner you see toggle agents. You can press that or shortcut Ctrl Alt and J. Alright, it will open up basically the thing which is the same as right over here. If we are, you know this environment from the different AI providers like ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. Okay, now what second thing is you will select the correct this conversation, and here you will see this window here at the bottom where you can type in something if you want. And here at the bottom you will also see Composer 2.5 and then Agent. So if you click on Agent you will see then debug. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can activate debugging. And yeah, what you can do is basically start debugging and type in something and it will do this for you. So we can do something like that and then debug. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next